Yes. So there was a boy who bought a domain of a merger of Airtel and Jio. I know this is not going to happen for now, but he predicted and he bought the domain. And then he emailed and went to Ambani Sahab, our beloved Ambani ji, and he asked 1 crore rupees for selling that domain to them. Instead of buying that domain, Ambani ji bought a sue letter and he just went to sue that boy that he is utilizing and violating some laws around the companies and it shouldn't happen like this. But interesting fact is this that over this trivial thing, Reliance can go a lot down due to this. So this thing is not going to happen. I will put all the links to the articles below, but this model is known as domain flipping and you can utilize this to actually earn a profitable revenue and convert into a profitable business model if you know how and when some internet personalities and their profiles are going to blow up. And before they blow up, you can buy their domain and you can sell them at a higher price. So for that, I created a solution. Yes, an AI solution that can help you actually analyze, process, and generate a persona of the person of an internet celebrity or any person, be it a lawyer, be it an internet celebrity, be it any person. It creates a whole persona out of their social profile, and you can just think and analyze that are the right or the suitable person whose profile is gonna blow up. Now it is not perfect, but still I crafted this solution so that it can be utilized in different forms, and this is just one use case I told you guys. Hey, this is Lokesh and I share AI solutions, tips, tricks, insights, and updates on this channel. Let's get right into it. So this is make.com. Here, as you can see, this is the profile analyzer. There's this database through which we pull the information and then it passes. This is the whole sheet just as it is, as you know, and this is the chat gpt whisper model. It is using 4.0 latest model, and this is the whole prompt which I like instruction set which we gave to actually analyze the whole persona of the profile. Here you can see it is written LinkedIn, their Instagram, their Twitter profiles, and their all social media channels. The whole instruction set has been crafted by craft testing and trying by different methods. Then it basically turns all the content generated by OpenAI into Markdown into an HTML format. Then through HTML format, we use text parser to convert it into a normal plain text. And then this plain text is passed into Google Docs. Now you can select any CRM system or any kind of document application or a CMS system where you want to store these personas and you want to later analyze it or blow up into an whole another blasting platform, or you want to email some kind of or attached as a document of your some business process. You can do that. It is completely fine. So I build it in a more scalable manner. The X factor is here that I have used a new module introduced by a company known as Snack Prompt. Snack Prompt have different kind of AI modules integrated into make.com, and I have used here one which is known as document list module. That this platform's module is connected to Snack Prompt's account. You have to create a Snack Prompt account and then it gives you an API key. As always, you create that API token and you put it into this module, and now you can select different sectors. You can select what kind of document you want to keep or you want to store or you want to keep track of. It is a text type, it is a document type, it is prompt, different. Then you pass title and body content and different things, file names, additional files, visibility. You can select that you want to keep this public onto your Snap Prompt profile or you want to keep it private to yourself so that you can manage all your documents and you can always see what things you created. And a little Slack, yes, a little Slack integration which actually shoots the created personas of in a form of Google document right under our Slack dedicated channel so that we can always get an alert when the whole system is done. Now, how the system is working. So yet another new platform I'm going to introduce to you. This is known as Gumloop. You might have heard about it many times. So the whole automation system works on Gumloop. This is the whole automation system. For now, I have crafted Instagram and LinkedIn. What it does, let me zoom right into it. This is the LinkedIn profile URL, and this is basically an Instagram profile scraper. It takes Instagram profile URL and LinkedIn URL, and it goes through an advanced scraping methodologies where it collects all the information according to our instruction sets and all the variables of different kinds from LinkedIn and from our Instagram channel, and you can scale it to different types of social media channels, and you can actually scale it any up to a X amount of time, and you can make it actually to go at a macro level where you can categorize the profiles from all the social media channels. When you curate their profile, you can just categorize exactly what category best suits the Instagram profile or the LinkedIn profile or collectively, and then it collects different parameters from all the social media channels, and then it segregates it and scores it based on the AI out input which I gave here. Work experience, their respective field, or someone likely, and 100. This is the scoring system. You can actually also give an additional context here, and it just goes directly into this Google Sheet. You can use any kind of CRM system or Airtable or best suitable platform you know and use, and it segregates into a link. Now, all this information goes here into this Google name, response, source, selected category, current job, company, location, username, follower account, post data, user company, stuff. And this all is the segregated collective, like executive summary of the collective executive summary of all social media channels. And then this is used to actually spin off our Meek automation. Now, let us just try and test it once. So I will go to Gum Loop. Already the links are situated there. So I will just test run it. Click on run, and under 2 minutes it gets all the scraping done, and it curates all the profile, all the parameters, scores it, segregates it into different responses, and then summarizes the whole response into a one singular text, and then it just shoots it into our Google Sheet. As you can see, it has been done. Now the Instagram part is being running, and it may need a little bit of more time, but as you can see, it is done. Even not a minute completely, and it is done. And you can see there will be a new entry here, and this is a new entry here. So now let us go to make.com and let us run it. Since there is a new entry, it will pass this new entry. OpenAI will shoot up, and now it will create the whole persona. It will pass it to Markdown, and all the text will be passed into Google Sheet, and then it will went to Snap Prompt. And then as soon as Google Doc is done, see, it is completely passed and it is done. Here it is showing some error. Let me check. Invalid body content. Okay. So let us just go here. For simplicity, right now, I'm taking out this from here, and I'm putting this here and run. Now I'm just running this module itself. Result. Let me just, okay. What we can do is we can go here and let's say this, then this, then this, and okay. Invalid body. Add avatar, cache, file name, data, body content. Data listed on it. Why it came to this, I do not know exactly. But one thing I know that I need to remove this. I need to remove this. Let us just close this. Just close this. It is text. So instead of text in body content, I can pass a link, a web view link directly. That would be much beneficial for now. So let me go text markdown application open, export link, footer, permission, can share, can edit. If you see the web view link, text HTML, it's link share, text parser, result, Google Sheets, text markdown. Okay, let us run this. As you can see, it was successfully run. Okay, and let us click OK, and let us run this module again. Full name, and it is a link, right? So let us get a link from Google Doc itself. Let us go here. And let us click here and capabilities, email address. You can see different, then it goes our web view link. Remove it, and run this module. As you can see, it gives this part. Now run this module. Just run it once. Changes, run once. It is running. And I guess we need to again run the whole scenario. Let us run it. So it is running it again. In the meantime, I will show you this platform. This is Snapcron platform. Okay, all the resources and all the links to the platform and the tutorials of using the Snapcrons, different types of modules into make.com. I will put in the description below. You can go check it out. As you can see, here is a bar, and here I've got prompts, snippets, documents, automations, tables, etc. In documents tab, there is the document which it created. This is the Lokesh Agarwal document here. And in here, I get my docs ID directly. And in this, I can select, I can public, I can create, I can work, I can send, share, add cover, or do any type of analysis I want directly from here and manage all my documents directly in this platform's profiles and in my own dashboard. Now you can manage your snippets, different code scripts, different automations. It gathers its scripts and it selects. You can store it here. And this is the document I got. Now, if I just, okay, let us select this whole document here and go to this page. As you can see, this is the whole professional summary it created of my profile. Now you can further analyze it and give a statistical study to it. And then you can actually see how many use cases it can offer you and how powerful and scalable this whole infrastructure is when you club it into one solution. So this is the whole scenario. I think it might have been done. Yes, complete. Let's run it. This is done. It is creating yet another piece. Then it will generate the whole markdown text, past and stuff into this. It takes, of course, a little bit of time as we are using OpenAI's latest model. It is generating and hopeful. See, it is done, complete. And it generated whole new document here. And if I go here and if I just refresh it, you will see there will be a more document and the count will be from 2 to 3. Let us click on this under documents 3. And here it is, a new document has been created with, as you see in the previous document, there was markdown formatting which wasn't done. But I hope in this, the formatting has been done and we will got, okay, we haven't got plain text. This have to be worked a little bit around, but you see how much powerful the use case is. So this is just a raw presentation of this infrastructure I built. Of course, it can be scaled to any level you want. You can analyze portfolios of different companies through their social media channels, their credentials. Then you can do stat analysis on different levels, and you can just expand it to different kind of domains. This is whole thing. Let switch and show you that how it went to Slack. As you can Slack, and I've gotten a notification at 9:16 p.m. This is the time which I'm recording this video, and live it got me a notification that there is a doc and analyzed document of a social media profile specific person. So this is the whole scenario. I hope so. You love this was the whole infrastructure, and I hope you love this. And all the resources, all the media links and tutorial links will be down in the description below, so you can go through it and you can try to craft it this or replicate it. And if you want my help, you can reach out to me. You can comment in the video how you would like to use this in different use cases, so I can more refine it and I can improve upon this infrastructure. If you want to connect with me, you can connect me through Twitter, you can connect me through LinkedIn, you can connect me through Instagram. All the social media links are down in the description below. Till then, keep hustling. Bye.